Class 6. Today, the last topic of your first lesson will complete. List of high mineral foods means the food which have a very rich quantity of minerals. The first one is nuts. Nuts, like almonds, cashews, walnut, peanuts. These are all nuts. Understand? And they contain 7 to 8 type of essential minerals like calcium, copper, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, selenium, zinc. And they are heart friendly. These nuts are friendly means they nurture, yeah, they give protect our heart. Second is beans and lentils. Beans, in market you can buy the green beans, and the a Hindi name is that is called Rajma. It's such type of things will consider in the beans, and these are the source of 6 to 8 essential minerals like copper, iron, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and if these minerals will repeat again and again. You can say to yourself that the all the materials have same kinds of mineral. Only one two will change. The rest is same. Like so mostly have the phosphorus, magnesium, copper. Understand? So vegetarians, these are the vegetarian source of protein. Means those people don't eat the meat. So these are in may soya beans, white beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans like rajma. Understand? Third is dark leafy vegetable that, as like spinach, kale, fenugreek also, no, turnip grease, and there are also 6 to 8 kinds of essential minerals have. Look at here, there's copper, iron, potassium same, but calcium is different, and then magnesium and zinc is same. So they are low calories, right? They didn't give us the energy, but give us high class of mineral. Understand? So these are not for energy, these are for minerals. Salmon fish. Salmon fish are found is a kind of fish and very good source of its meat is just like orange color. Understand? And it is very highly demandable for in the fish eaters. And it contains calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, selenium, and top source of protein. Those are vegetarian, sorry, non-vegetarian. Fishes are most important source of it, and they also give omega 3 fatty acid that will work like a antioxidant and give a do a very do a sharp of our mind also. And some kind of fish like salmon fish, tuna fish, mackerel fish, these are the source of calcium. Choose fish which have been canned with their bones. Understand? Next is seeds. Seeds, wheat and dairy life. These are also 5 to 8 essential minerals have, and they have copper, iron, phosphorus, selenium, zinc, white seed, and they are good source of nutrients. And 1 2 handful means only 1 spoon to 2 spoon every day, like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, है ना, like gram seeds. Shellfish, it is a kind of fish and also 5 to 8 type of minerals found inside it. And it's a good source of copper, iron, phosphorus, selenium, zinc. Shellfish are also high in heart healthy omega 3 means which keep our heart healthy. It gives us omega 3 fatty acid and vitamin B12. Understand? Next is mushroom. It's a good source of copper, potassium, selenium, and zinc. And they are low in calories, means they didn't give us energy more, but give us a high class of protein amount. Understand? Next is whole grains. Whole grains means साबुत अनाज, like हम लोग खाते हैं ना चने, मूंग, चिक, ग्रीन पल्स, ग्रीन पी, chickpea. So these are also good source of minerals, healthy source of, and it also gives, and they are a fiber. They have fiber, so it will complete our digestion process also. and healthy source of carbohydrate, means they give us minerals as well as carbohydrate. That's why the runner eat the whole grains in their every morning after their exercise. Next is yogurt. It's a kind of curd, fine, understand, and a milk product. Calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium. It has for less calories and cholesterol, means oil, not in cholesterol, means which a type of fat that stored in our heart, blockers our heart, that is called cholesterol. And less calories didn't give us more energy. And low fat and unsweetened yogurt and milk, full fat dairy, all kinds of dairy product are good source of these mineral content. Next, beef and lamb. These are 4 to 8 essential minerals have. Understand? Beef and lamb is meat of buffaloes, and the goat meat. Understand? Mutton maybe, and the buffalo meat of buffalo. It will less calories but cholesterol. Choose leaner cuts of meat. Avocados. It is a kind of fruit, but is not especially found in India. Understands? It's the foreign European countries fruit, and good in copper, potassium, magnesium, and full of heart healthy fats. Means it is the well. Mainly, fat is harmful for our heart, but it's the fat which is found inside avocados is good for our heart. Understand? Make a tasty addition of to any salad of sandwich. The way eat ना, the raw mango, हम लोग कच्चा आम खाते ना, just like its taste. Tofu tofu, it is a just like a paneer type material. Understand? And good source of calcium, iron, and phosphorus, and very good for vegetarian source of protein, means though those didn't eat, yeah, sorry, don't eat uh, meat product, so it is good product, good for vegetarian, and extra calcium and soy product. Chup, chup, chup. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Understand? Dark chocolate, all kinds of chocolates are good source of minerals like dairy milk and the cocoa powder, that is helpful in making of chocolate. And it is good source of 3 to 8 kinds of essential minerals. Understand? In them, iron, magnesium, zinc, and very less calories. And chocolates are good for brain also. And they say they keep our heart safe. So at least 2 to 3 chocolates you can eat every day. And chocolate powder is also you can purchase from a market, and you can make a chocolate shake. Understand? Mix in your boiled milk the chocolate powder. It gives a very sweet taste and makes your milk tasty, and you can take the milk very easily. Understand? Next is cheese. It is a milk product, and after many processes it converts into cheese. Understand? Firstly we boil the milk, then it converts into cream like material. Understand? Then again we solidize it, then again change crush it, then again solidize it, and after 3 to 4 times it converts into cheese. Understand? For fewer calories, थोड़ी the little amount of calories and cholesterol, choose low fat cheese. Cheese are different kind, low fat cheese and high fat cheese. Both kinds of cheese are found are you can purchase from the market, and most is mozzarella cheese is very famous. And mozzarella cheese is used in the pizzas also. And these kind, the Parmesan, the Swiss, and mozzarella cheese are famous. And last, the dry fruits. All kinds of dry fruits like apricots, prawns, raisins, figs, dates, खजूर वगैरह होते हैं, अंजीर है. These are all good source of minerals and very good and high nutrients And high calories means they give both the new minerals as well as the calories. And try not to eat more than half of cup, means only half cup of dry fruit you have to eat every day. It completes your all kinds of minerals desired. So today it is enough for today, and your homework is just to make a list of make your copy in two portion. Left side you have to write uh, dry fruits name, after give a two lines gapping in them, and then the right side make other two columns. Means you have to divide the copy in three columns and one is one portion you will write the fruits name, means minerals product name. In the second column you have to write their minerals name, and the last one you have to write there your source name. Understand? This is your homework, so you have to complete it. It is enough for today. Goodbye to all.